How to make money online, 25 examples and ideas with the gift of the internet. It seems everyone is eager to have a side hustle. But, not everyone has the time or resources to get a consistent job outside of their house. And, with so many jobs that can be done virtually, getting a side job on the internet has never been easier. So, what are some ways you can make money online? How to make money online. While some may require the use of your car or your house, these 25 online job ideas can help you earn lots of extra cash without having to exert too much energy. And, the best part? Most can be done in addition to your daytime job or disposable income. 1. Use apps like Uber and Lyft. Yes, you will have to leave your house and your car, but using apps like Uber and Lyft can help you earn lots of extra money, up to hundreds of dollars per week. If you are 21 years of age and have a 4-door car, you're good to go to start earning money through the apps. Simply register on Uber or Lyft, and start earning cash in your spare time. 2. Take online surveys. You can get paid or get coupons or discounts for taking surveys online. With sites like Swagbucks, you can get gift cards and discounts for taking surveys, which can add up in savings. Other sites like My Survey and Survey Junkie offer money in exchange for surveys. 3. Become a virtual assistant. A great way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your bed is to be a virtual assistant.